Fine and Fit Finance Chick here. In this video, I will be talking about why you will remain broke for 2020. So, as we know, it is close to income tax time. This is a lot of people's favorite time of the year because their hard work throughout the year is finally, they're getting the benefits for it. They're getting this huge check, especially if they have a lot of tax write-offs and they do have children. However, if you get this money and you mismanage it, i.e., spend it on materialistic things that are not going to generate you profit from that spending, then you will re enter the cycle of poverty. A lot of people complain about how each year it is a struggle for them to take care of their children, to take care of their families, to take care of themselves, to handle the bills. But it's a cycle, a constant cycle that we must break. I was just on social media and I seen how someone stated, you don't know everyone's situation, and that I agree with. I was seeing that someone stated that you don't know what a person goes through. Again, I agree with that. But I seen when they said that, if a person has struggled for, majority of the year, then no one should have a say so or no one should comment on when that person who struggled throughout the year decides to blow their money or spend their money on getting a new car, on getting nicer clothes and other materialistic things. And that mindset is a very impoverished mindset, excuse me. It's a very poverty based mindset. You want to know why? Because if you struggle throughout the year, why, when you get a huge lump sum of money, would you put your money towards something that's not going to generate you revenue in return? Use that money to invest into a business endeavor or to put it into an account, even invest in the stock market, or put it into an interest based account. That way your money can grow while it's sitting there. Do something smart with your money. We can't continue to do the same thing each year and expect a different result. The same thing, doing the same thing, yields the same result. You have to change it up and you have to switch it up. We have to get out of this mindset where we feel the need to look like we are living in a life of luxury, but in reality, we are suffering and we are broke and we are struggling. Okay? Because at that point, you're only fooling yourselves. Okay? So this year, let's do something different. It is the beginning of a decade. Well, the ending of a decade, excuse me. 2020 is the last of this decade. Let's do something smart, okay? Let's shift the paradigm. When you get this huge lump sum of money, either save it or invest it into something that's going to generate you money. So whether that be a vending machine or, something else, some business endeavor that you've had for a while that you've been constantly making excuses as to why you have not done it yet. Use this money to fully go into it as long as you have your plan already mapped out and you're at that point of the process. You just need the money. Use this money to do exactly that. Use this money to pay up your bills so that way the money that you earn this year, you can save it and you can put it towards something that, is more important. And again, will take you out of poverty, will take your family out of poverty. We have to get into the mindset of creating generational wealth for our families. And again, if you decide to, if you are a person and you know that you struggled throughout this year, last year of 2019, you struggled financially, you will be a fool to get this tax money and to go and buy a car or to go and, buy some name brand clothing, some high end name brand clothing or some other, item that's not going to bring you profit from it. The only way I would say that buying a car is important is if you have been, if you really need it and you're planning on creating wealth from usage of that car. then it's a go, because again, you are investing in yourself and you are investing in your future with the purchase of that car. Or if you notice that without that car, you've been having to use Uber and Lyft, and that expense is so expensive and is dinging your pockets, to where if you bought this car, it would be easier on your pockets and you would be able to save more, then that is a smart financial decision. So, again, guys, let's make smart financial decisions so that we can stop and end this cycle of poverty. If not, this is why you will remain broke for 2020, okay? You will ball all February, show out, go out with your girls or with the guys, do boss things and all that. And then after February, you will return struggling and broke all the way until next year. And then you will repeat the cycle and wonder why you're not getting ahead. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys always so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other content. I really appreciate it. Have a great one. Bye.